kabangis ng hangin. Go, 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 go! Sandstorm strikes. Again. Hindi namin makita guys yung at least mga 5 meters. 10 meters, hindi namin makita yung daan. Wala. Ano ba yan? Wala talaga. Wala makikita. Guys, 41 degrees, 141 ng hapon. Hello guys, good morning, mi amigos, mi amigas na mama. For today's video guys, I will tell you about what are the things to do before leaving Saudi Arabia. So the first thing to do guys is that you should close your bank accounts, which is very important. To close your SIM card plan, your internet plan. If you rent here or you buy a property, you should sell the property or you should end the contract if you rent. If you have a car, you should sell the car. And if you're going to file exit, you should inform your employer or the institution that you are leaving. It should be like 3 months before, so that the employer and the institution will be aware of it and they will process your file exit visa. And the second one guys is that you should have your passport itself and it should be attached the final exit visa. That's very important also. So the third one guys is that you should have the air ticket, confirmed air ticket, so that you can go smoothly, right? So that's it. The fourth things to do guys is that you should bring the documents and the letter, which are the LMIA, the CAQ letters, the temporary resident permit, your biometric for 10 years validity, and you should bring also your the medical reports. And the fifth guys is that you should have this ArriveCAN application, so that you will present this ArriveCAN receipt that you're gonna be like screenshot and just present the receipt in the border, which is the immigration officer will check this. And the next guys is that 6 important things to do guys is that you should have this negative RT-PCR test. And the 7th guys is that you should have this 14th-day quarantine plan upon arrival, because the border, the immigration officer will check this if you have this 14 quarantine days plan. And the 8th guys is that you should bring extra money just in case there's any emergency. At least you have a pocket money, so at least maybe like $1,000 US, no problem. You should bring this one guys to be ready. So that's all guys. That are the important things to do before leaving Saudi Arabia. So for now guys, I'm preparing or like finalizing my luggage, my one luggage, because I will just put all my things finally, and later at 6 in the evening I will be leaving here. So that's it guys. And I just now doing like drinking like lemon juice, not lemon juice, like this I just put the lemon here overnight, so I'm gonna drink this one guys. You know, detoxification, right? We will do detox, you know, to be healthier guys. So it's very important to be healthy, right? As what happened right now. So it's pandemic, so you should be healthy. So I will just update you guys, and so that's it guys. So thank you for watching my video guys, and please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be notified when I have a new video. So thank you guys, and see you in my next vlog.